How to add your YouTube link to your Roblox profile. So first you want to open up your browser and head to roblox.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Then you want to click on the wheel icon right here and go to settings. And then you will need to scroll down to the bottom of this page where you can see social networks right here. And in this section you can either add YouTube, Twitch, like X, Facebook, or whatever you want. You can simply paste the link. So for example, you could copy your YouTube channel link and paste it like this right here, and then hit the save button at the bottom, and it should be successfully saved. Now, if you go back to your profile, if you can click on your profile on this side right here, it should open up your profile, and you can see that there is a YouTube icon on the right side, which when you click on it, it takes you to your YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.